Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to access this left-hand toolbar if you're having problems accessing the toolbar. So this toolbar is an incredibly convenient way to navigate throughout the course. So for instance, if you need to go to the PLE to get to the course materials, or if you need to go to any of these submission pages to submit a case analysis, or participate in a discussion board, or to submit a project, or to complete an exam, or even to get your grades and feedback on any assignments that you've submitted, you can use this left-hand toolbar to get to where you need to go. Now, unfortunately, in the most recent version of Blackboard, in this update that just came out recently, they've created this, what they call a feature, that automatically minimizes this toolbar in certain circumstances, and a lot of students are struggling to figure out where the toolbar went and how to get it back. So if you're one of these students that can't figure out what's going on, I've just created this short little video to show you what to do. And I'll show you some times that it might happen. First of all, it happens if you happen to be viewing Blackboard on a smaller screen. So I've got a pretty large desktop monitor right now, and so everything seems to be working okay. But if you're viewing it on a smaller screen, or if you minimize a window, and I'll minimize this window right now, we'll see what happens to the left-hand toolbar. If we minimize the window, the toolbar disappeared. And it's not very intuitive where it went or how to get it back. But it varies based on browser, but in this particular browser, which is Google Chrome, you can see this little tiny arrow up here in the top left-hand corner of the screen, and if I click on this, the toolbar comes back. Alternatively, in some browsers, the arrow ends up over here on the right-hand side of the screen, which is really not very intuitive. But when we view the toolbar this way by clicking the arrow, you can see that it cuts out the text. And another problem with this is that it disappears when you go to another page. So for instance, if I navigate to this page here, again, Blackboard minimizes that toolbar. So the easiest workaround that I've found to get that toolbar to permanently remain in that left-hand corner is to zoom out your screen. And again, every browser might have a different way of doing this. In Google Chrome, if I click up here in the top right-hand corner and go to zoom and just maybe zoom to 90%, now when I bring that toolbar back up, what we'll see is that it's not cutting out any of the text on the main content viewer, and we could also see that when we navigate to another page, that toolbar stays there permanently. And so one of the things that I've done is I've created larger fonts on my website so that those people that do zoom out can still read the material. And so hopefully this will be a helpful way if, like I said, you're struggling with finding out where that left-hand toolbar went or trying to create a way to keep the toolbar there permanently.